Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to stay dry in the rain, these little Donkey Andy rain pans are great. I got these in the mosaic blue color, and I bought these because I was doing a trek in Patagonia, and I think that these worked really well on my trek. I didn't get wet, they kept me dry. I like that there was various pockets, but I like that these pants aren't bulky. That was something huge that I really like about these pants. They kept me dry, but they were not super bulky. They have belt loops, and also at the back they have elastic, which I found to be really comfortable while I was hiking. So you can see here the color, it's a beautiful blue. Inside at the top it's lined with mesh, and then at the bottom here I can tighten them up if it's raining really bad or it's muddy and I need to keep the legs and ankles dry. You can see here I'm putting them on over my jeans, which is how I use them, and I love that there's no bulk. They don't stick out, they just look comfortable. If you're looking for comfortable, stylish rain pants that work well, try these ones out. I really like them, and that's my point of view.